Hello! Today we'll be learning how to draw a bee in a reindeer costume. For this part, you'll need paper and something to outline it with. Let's get started. First, you'll draw her round head and some cactus-like shapes coming out of it. These are her antler headband. Does not have to be perfect. The hair in front of her face and her eyes. Her eyes are round with black circles inside of them. Bee usually doesn't have a nose, but for this, she has it as part of her costume. It's a big red circle. Draw her happy mouth. Now we can move on to her arms. She doesn't have a neck. Now draw two straight lines for her body. Make a slightly curved line for her rear end. And a separator between her legs. You can draw her legs with little feet. Now her tail. Make sure the underside looks fluffy. This is the zipper. You can draw a little circle of white. Now her hair. It curves to a point right below the tail. Good job on the outline. Now we can move to coloring. Now we can color Reindeer Bee. For this, you need a dark brown pencil, a red pencil, a light brown pencil, a yellow pencil, and a skin-colored pencil. Of course, you can use other materials as well, such as paint, markers, or crayons. Take the dark brown and color in the antlers. Now color in her hands and feet with the same color. Now you're finished with the dark brown. You can use the red to color in her tongue and her big red nose. Good job. The yellow is for her bright yellow hair. Now you can use the lighter brown for her whole costume. Make sure to remember her tail. You can lightly shade the underside of the tail and the white spot to make it not look so uncolored. Finally, use the skin color to color her face. Great job! If you want, you can title your picture Reindeer Bee. Perfect! I hope you had fun drawing Reindeer Bee today. Happy holidays!